Hi, I'm Vikkie, the Carpenter's daughter. Today I'm going to show you how to upcycle an Ikea Malm chest of drawers. So the first thing I did to make sure the paint adhered properly is to remove all of the grease and grime with some sugar soap spray, and I applied that with a sponge. Then I dried it all with a lint-free cloth so I didn't have any dust particles hanging around. And because the drawers are quite plain, I wanted to enhance them with some beading. So I placed them in a mitre box and cut some 45-degree angles with a handsaw. Then gently sanded any of the sharp edges with a bit of sandpaper. Once I got my first cut, I held it against the top edge of the drawer, right in the corner. Then I could make a pencil marking on the other corner and draw a line inwards so I knew which way to cut my next 45-degree angle. Once I'd worked out the cuts for the beading to go all the way around, I pressed them down with grab adhesive and then covered all of the edges with cork. Once the cork was smooth and dry, I could then paint straight over it and the entire piece with my first coat of Hemway's soft khaki beige chalk paint. And once that was dry, I could give it a second coat. And to attach the handles, I've got a trick for you. Place a strip of masking tape on the back all the way across. Mark pen marks on the masking tape where the screw holes lie. Then you can take it off, place it on the drawers, and now you know where to drill your holes and mount them. And the last step, I'm going to finish it with Hemway's clear matte lacquer. So if you want to find out more information about Hemway's products, visit hemway.com and hopefully you'll find your next colour for your next project.